fucking nuts! Oh, hello. Absolutely fucking nuts. Fucked.
One op 4 remaining.
Sweet.
Op 4 new.
Damn it, see this cunt.
Disabled.
Wow, as if we fucking lost that.
Mission failed.
No one was
Bomb
defending the
defused.
bottom site at all. What do you mean?
Run out.
Where?
Play mode.
Yeah, you go.
Okay, down.
Or shall I go?
Go.
I'll go get him. I'll go get him.
Go get him. We don't get picked up. Yeah.
That's what I'm thinking, yeah. Bet there's someone waiting for him now. Got Doc down as well.
Nice.
Sweet, that worked out pretty well.
Hall of Fame. Hall of
Like
Fame.
if you hold middle mouse button then it
Behind.
sets off an ability
Yeah,
that you
but-
can use.
Cover me! Reloading! Flipping mags!
The diffuser is no longer in your
Oh, where was that?
possession.
Ah! Ah! Fuck! I pressed melee, but it's too late.
You almost aced that. You almost fucking aced that, mate.
One friendly
Dead. Yeah. They're in.
They know I'm here as well.
Tick tock on the talk and the body ain't stopping up. Whoa, whoa.
Fuck up.
Detected by hostiles.
The one guy that
Your
didn't
location
mute.
has been compromised.
I'ma fight till I see the sunlight. Tick tock on the clock. The party ain't starting now. Whoa, whoa. Oh yeah, my name's
to your right.
Pitbull, and I'm a really
Go
cool
back,
boy. Oh yeah, what a noob, what a noob, what a noob,
Shut the fuck
what a
up,
noob,
guy.
what a noob, what a noob, what a noob,
Op
what a
4,
noob,
last operator standing.
what a noob, what a noob, what a noob, what a noob, what a noob,
Ah.
what a noob.
Mission failed. All
Are
friendlies
you
have been
fucked in the
neutralized.
head or what? Jesus Christ!
What a noob.
What is this?
I don't know. Are we playing casual?
Yeah. Oh fucking hell.
He doesn't use the glass scope.
Standing.
What? What?
Oh, incredible. Just to the right. Yep.
What? It's back behind the wall.
All friendlies have
I don't
been
think I should have
neutralized.
killed it with the shotgun, but I thought I touched her and then got behind the wall. So that C4, if that C4 had landed where I wanted it to, would have got her.
Yeah.
That was a joke of a game.
Yeah, what a shit show.
Absolute joke.
Ah, she's peeking you, so.
Your location has been compromised.
New mag.
Engage it.
Geisha. There you go. Put in sight. Shoot. Good job.
Op 4, last
You got
operator.
got Geisha, yeah? No, you didn't.
No.
Fucking hell. Fuck, I thought that's the one you
Yeah.
killed.
Mission success.
Spawn peek.
Where? Where?
Don't know. I just heard it.
Where?
Yeah,
Well, at least say like, I'm in a fucking direction.
Yeah, I know.
You know?
yeah, done it before.
He should be dead!
Oh, it's Jaeger actually.
Whoa, yep, pulse is it, got him. Fucking hell.
Nice.
Could be delivery, I can't.
Yeah, I think it's delivery.
Yeah, delivery.
Nice. The actual bar side.
Yeah.
The fuck is the other one?
Could be drum.
There, fucking hell.
One op 4 remaining.
Oh, diffuser.
Op 4
Sweet!
eliminated. Mission
No, ah.
Is that a smoke gone already? That's pivotal for the plan.
Yeah.
Am I jumping in? What's the smoke for?
Yeah, let's go. Go on, smoke it.
Like he's repelling it. A windows.
It's not smoked. What's smoked
He
here?
fell down a hatch. He fell down a hatch.
Oh, fuck! I didn't realise that. You said you're smoking it and you jumped in. Ah, God.
Yeah, it's a shit show.
It was. I didn't even know you were smoking it. I had to ask because I heard you throw one.
Changing magazine.
Why is this? We get wrecked at this site.
No quad jet. I'm worried.
You have been eliminated.
No, because they don't do stupid strats like we'll throw one smoke grenade down a hatch and then jump in. Okay. Bro strat. Oh fuck! Get fucked.
Nice.
Lesion on that tag. Looks like he still stood there. Fucking hell!
Stop standing.
I'm getting shot. I'm getting lesion. He's in the corridor. Sweet!
Op 4 eliminated.
Drem
Friendly
10.
mission Successful.
That was
Crushed
fucking.
it. That was well sketched.
Wait, I saw somebody.
Yeah. I was pulling a lesion out. Fucking.
Yeah, it was.
Oh, they're in Geisha. In Geisha.
C4 set. Detonate.
That's Geisha.
Just wallbang me.
Fuck! I just saw one's head. Get fucked.
Good job, boys.
Right in the minge.
Oh, we won!
Glad we won.
Did I
Oh,
win?
that's
10 and 5! Ah, yes.
all. Change the sense.
Change the sense, knock it down by like 20. Boom.
You alright, mate?
Yeah, my dude. How are you doing?
Good.
That is good to hear.
Good.
Ready to fucking win, Peter.
Fuck's sake, we're like 10 seconds in, you already confused him. That's it, he's just silent now.
Yeah.
You shut him
do
up.
it.
He was going to give some pivotal calls.
Yeah. No!
Whoa, there's a load of them on the fucking stairs. Run away. I got one. What if this guy knows I'm here?
No.
Oh, I got him! Yes! He did know I was there. That was Hibana. Oh, Billy got kicked.
Yeah.
Why?
Inactivity.
Yeah, but like not even a full round. No, he'll be able to join back in a moment.
You don't have a light shield, do you?
No.
Can't erase.
No, I don't. I didn't come on to sit staring at the menu. Just because someone wants a cup of tea. Nah, mate.
No, that's no.
Bad enough that we're wasting a life playing this game. I ain't wasting my life not even playing this game.
For fuck's sake. Well, you take the time to go make a cup of tea.
But I don't want a cup of tea.
Good.
See? Fatal flaw in your argument there, isn't there? I'm glad you guys had a good time instead of staring at a menu while I was gone.
Sure, that's what his first words.
I'm so happy for you.
Hello?
Hello?
Hey,
Join
you've
back.
been kicked. I'm to do it. Not my fault.
Okay.
Psych up persuaded me to start a race.
Hey, yeah, not my fault. Oh, he's laid down on the hatch. He's on the hatch. You
Where?
go below in out room. Out room.
Direct me.
Yeah, the hatch. To your right. To your right.
I think he dropped. I think he dropped. I think he dropped.
Straight to your right as well, Dash.
One friendly
What
operator
are you talking
remaining.
about? What hatch?
The hatch
Alright.
in that room behind you, above your head.
Where?
Behind. It's above your head.
Where? Oh, that.
There.
I think he's there, mate.
Doesn't mean you can. Oh, no, the other side.
Whoa! Why did we open all the fucking floor?
Denied the mirror, mate.
That went great, didn't it? We all died downstairs.
Yeah.
Capcan, and you lure him into the traps, right? We're gonna be a beast. Oh, it's gonna be flawless.
Don't see a problem with this.
Mate, it's better than your fucking smoke down the hatch strat on the last map.
But that, I mean, that wasn't the intention.
Seemed like it to me. You were like, yep, smoked it, I'm jumping in. I'm like, cool, I'll follow you. Oh, we're both dead. Then you're like, yeah, it went down the hatch. Yeah.
I didn't know it had gone down that until I vaulted in.
You go
Yeah,
check.
one out this window.
Move to the right a bit, move to the right. No, that's backwards, not to the right. Move to the right, move to the right.
There's one on the right window is to my left. The window to my left is.
Got it?
Yes, there's another one to the left. Thermite peeking. One to the right.
You're getting Twitch drone.
Twitch drone.
Yeah, no, it's alright, just chill, just chill.
Hold
Tag.
on,
Can you go forward again? And where have you gone? Why are you all the way back there?
Come on. Let's get to the Twitch drone.
Tell me what you see.
Thermite's out the window out front.
Move to the right again, move to the right, move to the right, move to the right. Further to the right, further to the right! Keep going! Wait, just... Touched him. I don't know why you're moving so tiny amounts.
Because I don't know how much of an angle you need. Yeah, Habanish is there again. Gone to the right of the window.
Got it.
Right, there's one to my left window here. And one on that ledge again. I'm dead.
You're dead, you're dead, you're dead.
Reloading!
Master bed window.
Yeah, to your right, to master bed. In.
Oh, I cap canned him!
But then what's the point of me even being there?
Because you can tell me that there's someone at the window, I don't have to stand there looking at it and getting wrecked. You can just say there's a guy to the right of the window.
You should have said that. Just
That's what I did!
thought you was like a tanny strap.
No. I was like, you just see what's happening. Yes!
Op 4
Let's run off.
So low.
Let's run off. We could get in and plant.
It is clear right.
Plant.
Duck is healing up.
Where's the smokes? Where's the smokes?
I'm gonna plant.
Falling.
Planning.
Yeah, okay. Cover him.
No, he's right next to me! No, how was no one even looking?
The diffuser has
I've
been
got him. I'm seeing through the smoke.
Wait.
Diffuser is online and active.
Oh, no, boy's dead.
Down to one
Boy's
friendly.
dead. That's your right. Yep. Ah, no!
Schmover time.
Dover time.
They're gonna
Rover
be
time.
Grover time.
Do this, then. If they are where we
I'm all
were,
out.
we just do the
Yeah, so am I.
So, Zygon, what were you saying? Grover time?
Hoover time.
Hoover time? Time to clean up, mate. Hoover time.
Hey.
Go on.
Bait me out.
Was that alibi?
Yeah. Cheers, man. We're going this way, I think.
Right.
Yep, got him.
4 remaining.
There's one. He's in
On
the
him.
kitchen somewhere.
Yes, can hear him.
It's over.
Diffuser is active. Protected at all
Okay,
costs.
I'm dead!
One friendly on
Yes!
See him.
I didn't see I was putting a claymore down because I thought he was further away. Get out. Woo!
He
Spicy.
was quick.
I got some nice headshots there. Nice.
That felt more positive. That classic. Good job, mate. And the team.
Get shagged, you two. Yes. MVP 8 and 5. Oh, knock your sense down by 10, boys.
Yeah.
Nothing but positive results. That's what I'm saying, mate. You gotta warm your eyes up. I had a good solid 2 hours of fucking D-hunt. And a Red Bull. And now I'm on fire.
Op 4 has located the bomb. You have entered an enemy-controlled area.
Now I can't stop my eyes.
Now my eyes are just fucking crazy.
No.
Oh,
it's
shoot,
me.
Si.
Oh, yeah, it's through West Main still. Ah! Twitch, got it. He's out here somewhere. I can fucking hear him. Touched him. Oh, did you steal that? Fuck, I thought I had that. I got a right cheeky angle on him from the trophy window. Yeah, see, I touched him and distracted him. You're welcome. You're welcome, boys.
You're welcome.
And I got you up. I'm such a team player.
Oh, yeah.
Thermite, break through.
Ah! What's going on?
Thermite, can you break through trophy?
Whoa! Fucking hell!
Down to
Thermite.
one friendly.
Where is
One
he?
Op 4 remaining.
Dining.
15
Dining,
seconds
Ella.
left.
Oh,
Friendlies have been eliminated.
Thermite.
I'm stuck in main lobby now, Maverick, let me up.
I'm trying to help you, but... Oh, I'm fucking awful. I touched Maverick. Oh no, I injured him.
He's
I injured him.
down. Downed him.
You have entered an enemy-controlled area.
Got him.
Ah, I was just going out for that.
Compromised.
Sake.
1 on 4 remaining.
Help me,
I
Val.
didn't get that.
Where are you? Are you there? I get you, mate. Get up.
Ah,
If you remain in this
reported,
zone,
mate.
you will be detected by hostiles.
get
You've
reported.
been spotted by hostiles.
Yeah, fucking good. Man.
Oh!
Oh, thrown.
That was Toad's fault, that.
It was not wrong.
I'm gonna go that window, so.
He's gone now. Oh, he's on the hatch.
Oh, he's there!
Nice.
Get out. We're gonna plant or
Legion
what?
was in A. Legion was in A.
Don't see him. Calling.
Oh no, he's bathroom.
Diffuser is online and active.
He got rotation there, man. Sweet.
I'm gonna get grenaded here, boys.
I'm trying to help, but we're getting pushed up top.
One to the right side and one to the left.
Yeah.
Oh god. He just died right next
Yeah,
to
I
me.
killed it. There's another one though. Another one. Same place. Office. Yeah, there's another one as well. Another one. Sophia. Yeah, she was there. Yep, she just saw you.
One friendly.
Damn. Right, you got Sophia upstairs, Saigon. Block on that tag.
1 on 4
Oh,
remaining.
nice. Just Sophia. She's gonna drop a hatch.
5 seconds to go.
Nice!
4 eliminated. Mission
Nice.
successful.
Done, boys.
Damn.
That was hook dick, but we got it done. Oh, we shot that hatch. Forgot about that one.
I thought it was reinforced.
Slimy.
I thought I grenaded him.
Was he laid down or what?
Yeah. Basically where that tag is, I think. Yeah. Yep.
Got him. Oh, was it another one? No, I don't know.
The diffuser has been
Oh,
recovered.
fucking hell. 20 seconds, boys.
Device is going.
You fucking shoot
Oh,
me.
that was garage. What the fuck? Not a garage.
10 seconds.
He left.
Yeah, I clicked on him,
Four
but
eliminated all
he shot me
friendlies.
straight. Oh, no, it's the guy at the left.
No,
that got me.
yeah. Money stairs.
Money. Fucking moneyed me, didn't he?
I like money stairs.
Main stairs, main stairs!
What? It shot him in the head! What the fuck?
Thatcher in, Thatcher in.
Loading new magazine.
Ashley's dead.
Thatcher's in on tag.
Tag, wallbang him if you can.
15 seconds.
Nice, nice, dead.
Op 4, last stop
Don't know
standing.
where the last one is.
10
Upstairs by the
seconds
sounds
to
of
go.
it. I think main stairs, maybe.
Oh,
Yes.
fuck Aiden. What a bitch.
Beast!
I waited, I bided my time. I'll start on like main stairs pretty much the entire round, just listening to people. I was like, oh, I'm gonna, no, there's somebody, no, yep, no, yep, yep. I'm going now.
Clutch!
Dead. Fucking
Is that Doc in blue, yeah?
Yeah.
Whoa! No, someone just shot me! What's that? Was that Blackbeard?
Vigil was pull table.
Right, I mean, there's no one. Oh, there's one at the end of blue, like in the site. Do you know what I mean? Like looking at the doorway.
Bomb has been located.
I don't think there's anyone in church. There's no one in church. If we can get down blue and get in, we could plant.
Well, I can smoke blue doorway.
Yeah, smoke it, smoke it.
Swapping mags.
Right, just keep it covered,
Waiting further instructions.
I'm
I'm
going to
trying,
plant.
I'm baiting him.
Plant in.
Yep.
Cover
Closing
fire.
it.
No, I'm dead, church!
Wandering
It
your
came through
possession.
moto!
Get out. Fuck.
Last operator
Yeah, he was in there to your right, Fish.
I'm dead.
Yeah.
5 seconds
Run
remaining.
away!
Yeah.
Oh! I was nearly in the fucking head!
Nearly nutty.
He's still in that green room.
Yeah, it's near gallery.
Got him.
Yeah.
Licked!
We all got a kill.
Ah, team ace, guys, team ace.
Yes.
Yay!
You wanna smoke it or?
Yeah, may as well, yeah. Disable the bulletproof cam.
Both on site. You can go B or something.
Yeah, punt.
You have
Trying,
lost the
it won't
diffuser.
plant.
The diffuser now secure.
It won't plant! We're gonna get mugged here, boys, because it won't... Oh, why has it just left it there?
Been
We're
recovered.
can you smoke it again?
No, I'm out.
Lights out.
I'm getting tagged constantly as well. The drone's disabled. Yoko drone's disabled.
Okay.
Just gonna
One
plant in
dead.
the middle of the fucking room.
Yep. He's back side near the mirror spot. Echo.
Don't know how I got away with that plant then.
Stay alive, oh, he's on weight. Got him.
Good job,
Op
guys.
4
How did I get that plant down if he was there?
I don't know.
I planted it just in bathroom doorway. Cheeky.
Gonna put a trap up there.
Oh my god! I'm shooting a wall open!
Was it the same wall?
Yeah, the same one where I got chill. Sorry, I didn't know you were doing anywhere
down
near
to
me.
10 seconds.
I was going back to
I
reinforce
hope
the
that was
fucking wall.
accidental.
Cam in.
Come this way, Toph. Don't go main lobby.
I'm already in main lobby.
Why? Yeah.
Ash is in Easters.
Come on, planting. I'm planting.
He's the last Easters.
See stairs, yellow.
Fusion initiated. Protect
Yeah, yellow.
Sweet.
Op 4
Sorry, Ash.
Right, tag. Give me a tag.
Tagging. On tag. Nice. Down.
Dead.
Nice.
Dead. He's dead.
Nice.
Right, hold the angle, Toph. I'm gonna kill the bad boy.
Oh, yeah, we're gonna both get shot here, mate. Been
Okay,
spotted?
drone in.
How am I
Yeah.
getting spotted?
I'd have been Ellen on
Echo
yellow
drone.
stairs.
L dead.
Nice. One's down on our team now.
Oh, I don't know.
Fucking. Oh, Dad, yeah, pink stairs. Pink stairs. I was checking that a minute ago. One on pink stairs.
The diffuser secured.
There's still one pink and one yellow. It's on there. So I can, yeah, pink. Just tried to shoot you. Oh, 40 seconds.
Yeah,
Mateboy's got yellow. Mateboy got yellow. Right, last one's on pink stairs. Oh god, Capitao's kind of thrown it a bit. Oh, he gets him!
Nice.
What the fuck?
Neutralized.
Oh yeah, sure.
Oh, there's one on pink again.
I'm gonna go round, Toph. I'm gonna go main lobby and get pink.
You're gonna have to be quick. I'm dead. I was miles behind the wall. I was top of yellow. I thought I'm not even gonna challenge it. I'll just fucking hide. I'll still die. Fucking Jesus.
One friendly operator remaining.
Oh my god, 1v5.
All friendlies have
How
been
was that
eliminated.
so bad? Nice. Right, Ash is on site. Yeah,
located
go
a
through
bomb.
blue corridor and into the back of B.
Get over here now.
Jeez.
Come in.
15 seconds remaining.
Yep, on there.
10 seconds remaining. Bomb diffusion initiated.
where they are.
Protect the diffuser.
Like double doors. Oh, he's dying? I think it's blue corridor. Or above, yeah.
Op 4
Nice.
last stop standing.
Nice!
Op 4
Go!
eliminated.
With that.
Done. Well done. Recovered it. Oof. Cheeky.
Throwing frag!
Got it!
Friendly's victorious. Op 4 last operator standing.
Where? He's in
Where
the
what?
bathroom.
Where was it?
Bathroom.
Okay.
Plan in.
Ash is sending
Plan
it.
in. Getting spotted.
Bomb
Getting echoed. Oh, he's downstairs? That was you.
That's me. It's me.
He's connector.
Si, can you tag if he goes on it, yeah? Si's not here.
Oh, that was a headshot! He's on diffuser pretty much. He's diffusing. Not like this, boys.
Can't do it.
Not like this. Oh my
Why was nobody?
god!
Why was nobody tagging it?
What are you trying?
Why was you not tagging it for me?
Exactly like I done.
Exactly.
We're kind of being everywhere here, boys.
Oh, I've got a fuser. Yeah, I've got the hatch.
As if I just fucked that! Oh my god!
Oh,
I'm so
what?
shit.
Where did I
No, it's
die
on the
from?
hatch!
The diffuser is now secured.
No.
Oh, that went downhill real quick, didn't it?
Bandit's under the hatch.
Oh!
Get him.
What? As if he won that! He's just stood there, pistoling him over and over again. Watch
I
this.
don't know where the fuck.
Watch
Where
this.
was Bandit?
He was under the hatch.
What the fuck?
I
How
dropped
did
it
that
and it's just
fuck
like...
win that?